ETECH Simulation. The training is simulated, the skills are real. Welcome to ETECH Simulation. In this presentation, we'll learn about our advanced solutions for the oil and gas industry, focused on safe, efficient, and highly realistic training. Let's start with the advantages of our simulators. They reduce operating costs, improve safety, increase productivity, and promote sustainable practices in the industrial environment. From an economic standpoint, we eliminate consumables, reduce accidents, minimize maintenance, and ensure a proven return on investment. Additionally, we optimize productivity by freeing up real-world equipment for production and offering 24/7 training in cross-functional environments. Safety is a priority. We simulate critical situations without risk, adapted to local protocols and adverse conditions specific to the sector. We are also committed to sustainability, with emission-free systems, energy savings, and a reduction in the environmental impact of the training process. Our solutions are designed to adapt to diverse industries from construction and mining to oil and gas and ports. We have our master laboratory, which integrates an advanced methodology to achieve technical training aligned with real-world challenges. Through master solutions, we offer customization by industry and customer needs, ongoing technical support, and continuous content updates. Our oil industry simulators include drilling, coiled tubing, snubbing, and workover simulators, all with emergency scenarios included. This is our catalog of simulation solutions for the oil and gas industry, which we'll be explaining. Our full-size drilling simulator replicates every system and scenario of a real rig with professional certification and multiple simulated conditions. Features range from basic formation to shut-in, well-controlled, deep scenarios, and automatic scoring for objective evaluation. The system also includes high-precision hardware such as a life-size console, distance console, BOP console, among others. The visualization of this simulator is an immersive visualization for a totally immersive experience. We offer portable versions of the drilling simulator with functional panels and full mobility for on-site training. The drilling simulator's capabilities include top drive well control, emergency simulation, non-sequential events, and customized technical parameter settings. Next, advanced operations visualization, which allows for detailed and realistic monitoring at all stages of the process. This is a training room for drilling operators where you can see the portable desktop drilling simulators. In the coiled tubing simulator, we offer a comprehensive technical approach from basic operations to critical situations and international certification. Features include standard drills, downhole simulations, and problem scenarios such as leaks or coiled tubing blockage. The system features exact replicas, 4K displays, and immediate response times to enhance operational realism. This is the visualization of the flexible pipe simulator with different views. We also have a snubbing simulation training system for practicing pressure management, tooling, wedges, and calculating the neutral point at depth. Functions include precise pipe handling, neutral point calculation, insertion and extraction of specialized instruments under pressure, and precise control of wedge sets. The hardware includes a driller's console, 4K displays, and a combined interface of physical controls with high-fidelity operating graphics. This is a reference image of the snubbing simulation system with different views. We continue with the workover system, which covers major and minor operations, closure methods, TCP, sand control, and other critical maneuvers. Functions include major workover such as sand washing, roller reshaping, minor workover such as sand control, TCP drilling, and well killing such as reverse circulation, shut-in during operations. System hardware includes workover console, remote console, weight indicator, BOP console, choke console, standpipe manifold, and choke manifold. Each station features optimized visualization for comprehensive training in well maintenance, repair, and preparation. The emergency drill system allows you to define accident types, edit ERPs, and evaluate student responses at different difficulty levels. This system consists of 3 components: a server and instructor station, and a student station, designed to develop skills in real-world emergencies. Added to this is the virtual assembly system and platform installation, which complement training in assembly and technical deployment. Platform installation can also be advanced. We also offer simulation for fracturing and acidizing, including standard procedures, technical failures, and special scenarios such as selective or interlayer fracturing. Functions include standard procedures for equipment familiarization and technical preparation, handling of scenarios such as simple, acid, selective bead fracturing, and problem scenarios such as interstrata fracturing. Our oil recovery system allows for well opening, closing, and gauging with various pumping configurations. This system features 3 types of exercise categories: well opening, well shut-in, and well metering. Each category includes specific exercises for rod jump ropes, electric submersible pumps, and screw pumps. We complement this with the gas production system, where openings, closings, and measurements are simulated using different extraction technologies. The categories of this system are the same, but the exercises vary for each one. Some exercises include fluid well opening, plunger pump closure, measurement with an electric submersible pump, and others. The well testing system trains operators in monitoring, online testing, winch use, and safe handling of specialized tools. The exercises in this system include practical handling of lifting and positioning equipment during testing, wellhead testing, and online testing for continuous monitoring. The well logging module covers gas detection, sensors, analysis software, and simulation of up to 46 real-life scenarios. The exercises include system introduction, gas measurement, sensor exploration, specialized software, and simulation of up to 46 real-life situations to develop complete operational experience. Finally, the downhole tool system allows training in the use of packers, BOPs, separators, and valves under realistic conditions. The training elements are as mentioned above, allowing operators to acquire complete skills. Contact us to take your oil and gas operator training to the next level. ETECH Simulation. The training is simulated. The skills are real.